This is who you call when you hit bottom. Powerboat US. Can't tell if he's getting them off or not. He's been working at them for the last 10 minutes that we've seen. Powerboat US. I see a bow wake on the powerboat now, the one that's stuck, so he seems to be moving. But that towboat stern was really low in the water as we approached. He's doing his job. This is just north of Johns Pass.